I'm Dave Hazell. I'm the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of Rochdale Occupational Health Service. I've held this role for around about 2 years and been a board member for probably another 2 years on top of that. I first met Rochdale Occupational Health Service whilst working for one of the clients who's been with the organisation for a number of years, and when I left that particular role as their health, safety and environmental manager, I was invited to join the board here. Safety at work is more than just an essential legal requirement. It's an opportunity to make work a more fulfilling activity and an opportunity to learn new skills that can benefit all facets of our lives. Health and Safety at Work Act is an overarching legal act that governs all health and safety in the workplace in the UK. It's primary law. Health and Safety at Work Act also sets a framework for all other health and safety regulations. It came about in 1974 following a report into modernising health and safety legislation, allowing businesses to self-regulate their activities by means of risk assessment. The committee that produced the report was led by Lord Robins, who was at the time the chairman of the National Coal Board when the 1966 Aberfan disaster in South Wales occurred. 116 school children and 28 adults sadly lost their lives when a heap from a coal mine collapsed and covered their school. As a health and safety professional, visiting Aberfan was one of the most moving experiences of my career. We all have a legal responsibility at work, as defined in the Health and Safety at Work Act. Our acts and omissions must never give rise to harm. Accountability almost always sits with the employer. However, we must all take our defined legal responsibilities very seriously at work. The best ways to prevent all forms of harm is to speak up when we see, hear or feel that something is not right. We should always follow our training and comply with all reasonable requests, from wearing PPE to attending our occupational health appointments. All health and safety control measures are derived from an assessment of the risks, which is a legal requirement. Many, but not all, businesses have their own health and safety departments that work closely with HR and management. Some companies have health and safety representatives, sometimes supplied by unions. Others have workplace committees where employees or their representative issues can be resolved in-house with the help of engineering teams. Sometimes external specialists can help with more complex issues. People like health and safety consultants, occupational health providers, occupational hygienists who specialise in workplace risks such as noise, air monitoring and vibration. Contact Rochdale Occupational Health Service for any matters related to workplace health and safety.